Should I put ribbon now? Peachy, purple, and rosy. So Dior gave me a code for this mini lip maximizer because when I messaged them about all the open sample, you know, in the broken box of the star sample, and then they gave me a code for this freebie. So yeah, so they sent me this one because of the broken samples last time. So yeah, that's good. Then here, so these three came with those three, and then these came together as a freebie, a mini perfume, and then these two samples I've chosen amongst the samples that you can choose there, and it's a mini lovely perfume for men. So I'll give this to my husband. Yeah, and then when you spend 200 over 200, you're gonna get these three freebies, which are lipstick, mini lipstick. Let's have a look. Yeah, I like the color of this. Okay, another lipstick for me. And then Miss Dior Essence, which I have a big bottle of this, and I love this so much. My number one perfume of all my perfume. And then they gave this as well. And then this. Oh, let's see. Ooh. Wow. It's so pretty. Dior. Okay, it's lovely. This is like the top of the, you know, the Dior Addict. Like that. See the top. It's like that with the CD on top. A CD here. That's lovely. So yeah, let's open this. My favorite is purple. I don't know the smell yet, but I love purple color. So yeah. I only bought a 30 ml because I'm not sure if I gonna like the smell. So you know, just get the small one. Okay guys, moment of truth. So excited. I really love the bottle when I first saw this, like online. Oh, nice. I thought it gonna be smaller because I thought this size is like the 50 ml. But yeah, this is just a 30 ml bottle. It's so pretty. Oh my god, it's so lovely. Wait, we open first the others. Oh my god, I love them. Pretty bottle. god. I really love it. It's like the packaging of the lip balm, you know? Oh, lovely. They said that the lip oil is the inspiration of this. I think the flavor or the scent, you know, like the peachy, this peach. There's lip oil, peachy. And I ordered one. I don't use lip oil, but I have to order one because I need to, you know, test it as well. See if I gonna like lip oil because I only use lip balm. And yeah, so peachy because I have a purple lip balm and a pink lip balm. And yeah, they matchy. Oh no, so pretty. Okay, like I don't wanna use them. Oh no. Okay, let's try first the pink one. So this is a Rosy Glow CD. And then CD as well. And yeah. Try. Oh dear, I love it. I won't like it because it's rosy, you know. I don't like rose. But yeah, oh my god, it's sweet. I love it. I love it. I love it. I like it. Doesn't say on the box what's the notes, but yeah, I love it. It's sweet. And yeah, I love it. Try the peach first. I thought I gonna like the peach more than the rosy, but it's okay. A bit peachy smell. I prepared the rosy. Oh dear. I thought I gonna like the peachy smell. It's okay. It's nice, but I don't think I like it. Oh dear. Okay. Purple, my favorite color. Let's try this. Wait. Not yet. I don't think I like it too. Oh dear. It's nicer than the peach. So, yeah. Oh no, I don't like the peach. So, I really love this pink one. This is super nice. I love it. I thought I gonna like the peach more than the others. And I thought this one is what I gonna hate because it's rosy. You know, rose. Like, I don't like rose smell, but yeah, this is my favorite of all of them. And the purple one is okay. Yeah, it's nice. But the peach, yeah, it's nice as well, but I don't like it. Oh dear. Oh no. Yeah, the pink is my favorite. Next is purple, and then last is peach. Like, I still don't like the smell of the peach. Purple is okay. So yeah. Okay, so that's it.